Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually set up a account on Shopify to ensure that you can successfully start your dropshipping business. Now, if you can dream it, you can sell it with Shopify. And that is one of the reasons why I highly recommend every single individual that is thinking about dropshipping to come to Shopify and start their account. If you don't have an account, don't worry, guys. Click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days and discover the reason why millions of entrepreneurs choose Shopify to build their platforms. And obviously, you can bring your vision to life with their easy to use store creator. There's no coding expertise required at all, and you can select from hundreds of customizable templates that are crafted by a community of world-class designers. You can add more features and functionality to your online store with the app extension from trusted Shopify partners, and you can connect with customers everywhere. And that is one of the reasons why Shopify really stands out. You can sell in person, you can sell online, you can do both with the marketing tools, the social integrations, and the sales channels that you need to get your product in front of customers and out the door. Everything that you need to succeed is available on Shopify, guys. And the thing that you need to understand over here, and which we're going to highlight in this video, is exactly what you need to do to ensure that you can get a competitive advantage in this particular niche. You can manage your inventory, you can even track payments and view real-time business insights from a single dashboard. They've built all the tools that you need so you can focus on building your business. Shopify is empowering entrepreneurs all over the globe with millions of merchants worldwide with availability in 175 countries, and they've supported 5 million jobs since 2021 and an economic activity of $444 billion. And obviously that is a massive cake, and you can easily get a slice of that particular cake. Now, one of the things that really makes Shopify stand out is the support that you can get from their Shopify blogs, where you can get all the marketing and business strategy tips that you need to help you run an online business. And with their online courses, which are absolutely brilliant, you can learn from the best with instant access to lessons from successful entrepreneurs around the globe. And with their community, you can connect with the community of brands, partners, and fellow merchants who understand Shopify. And if you have a question, you can find the answers in a flash with the dedicated resource for articles and videos from their support team. And that is what really makes Shopify stand out. And in order to get your account, all you need to do is click in the description below on the link and start your free trial. But if you want to do it from here, you can do that as well by clicking start the free trial. And once you do that, you'll be taken to the next page. And on this page, you can actually sign up to Shopify. And once you do that, the first question that gets asked is that what best describes you? Are you just starting off or already selling in person? We're going to say I'm just starting off, because they want to make sure that they give you the right platform to give you and help you and support you. And then the next question is, where would you like to sell? An online store, an existing website or blog, social media, online marketplaces, or in person, or you're not sure? You can always come back and change it. We're going to go with the online store, where we can create a fully customizable website. Then we're going to hit next. And now, obviously, in today's time and age, social media plays a crucial role, and that is the reason why you need to integrate all these social media platforms that you're working on with your Shopify. And obviously, to do that, all you need to do is click on yes and hit next, and then select the different platforms that you would want to connect with your Shopify account. Once you've selected it, just put next. And obviously, you need to make sure that you mention how many actual audience members that you have that will come to your Shopify account. So we're going to go for 10,000 maximum and hit next. And obviously, the main element over here is the content niche that they're working on. And these are all the information you got to make sure that people understand, people know for a fact. And obviously, when they have this full information, they can actually focus on and build something that is truly successful and get a proper competitive advantage given to you by Shopify. Once you've given all that information, now comes the most important part, where you need to select the name for your store. A lot of individuals and young entrepreneurs and dropshippers do not understand that this is one of the most crucial things. It's naming your child, it's naming your business. You got to make sure you select a name that really stands out, that has a competitive advantage, that means something, that has rarity and speaks of quality. And once you have that particular name and you put it out there, people will understand what you mean and what kind of store you're running. So we're going to go with a name over here for this example video, but please make sure that you do some detailed research to ensure that you select a name that has a lot of value. Once we've done it, all we can do is click on next. next. Once you sign in, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. On the left hand side, you're going to have your home, your orders, your product, customers, analytics, marketing, discount, your online store as well, and your application that you can do. And if you scroll down, you get all the elements available over here. Now, obviously, one of the major things that you need to do is start your Shopify account. And in order to do that, you need to click on your online store to actually look at what it actually looks like right now. And this is what comes up. There's nothing over here. In order to put something over here, we need to add a theme, and you have to click on customize theme and pick a theme and customize your content. And once we click on custom theme, you will get all the available themes that we have on Shopify. Now there's a lot of themes available for your phone and for the actual website as well, so we're going to customize it over here. But before we customize it, we're going to look at all the different themes that are available, which are free. So for example, if you look at this theme over here, this looks quite interesting. All you need to do is click on add, and once you do that, it will add this particular theme over here. As you can see, it's installing the theme. It's going to take a couple of seconds to install the theme, and once it's done, we can click on publish and it's going to be published. Now once it gets published, what do you do? This is a question which a lot of individuals tend to ask me, and obviously one of the things I always mention to them is that instead of going individually and finding different products that are available, there is a very easy and simple and straightforward way to do it, and that is by using the different apps that are available. And these apps are available on the App Store, which I'm going to show you in a second once we actually publish our new theme. So we're going to click over here and click on publish. Now this is going to replace the current theme that's available right now with this theme over here. So we're going to go and check this theme from here and see what it actually looks like. Before there was nothing there, but now we have a theme that's available on our Shopify, and this is what it looks like. If I scroll down, you'll be able to see how amazing this particular theme is actually looking like, and there's pictures that needs to be added, there's information that needs to be added, but now we have a landing page that is available for our Shopify stores. So what do we do next? We head over to add an app, and once we click on that, you'll see that this particular app is going to be available, which is going to be the DSers AliExpress Dropshipping. We're going to click on add, and once we do that, a new window is going to be open. Now obviously we want to integrate this particular app with our Shopify, so whatever products are available on AliExpress can easily come to our Shopify account, and once they're available in our Shopify account, we can start selling those products. It will take all the information, the pictures, the description, the specifications, everything is going to be made available for us on our Shopify account. Now you can clearly see we have landed on the DSers landing page, and if I scroll down, there's going to be a lot of products that are going to be made available over here. Now we can get any product that we want. Now instead of actually going and copy and pasting the pictures and the information, which is going to be very tedious, we can easily import all this information. For example, if you like this particular product, all we need to do is click on add to our import list, and it's going to get imported over here. So we're going to stay over here, and if you see on the left hand side where it says import list, there's going to be one right next to it. If you want to import this particular product, all we need to do is click on import to our import list, and it's going to be added, and the number is going to change over here. If you want to add another product, all we need to do is click on import list, and it's going to get imported over here on our list. Now once we've imported all the different products that we want, we click on the import list, which is going to open another page. Now obviously all these are going to be made available. We're going to select which one we want. If you want all of them, just select all of them, and then just click on push to Shopify. Once you do that, it's going to ask you that you want to continue when it's out of stock. We'll say yes, and just click to push to Shopify. Then we'll see exactly what's going to happen. Now all this information is going to be pushed to our Shopify account. Then we're going to head over back to our Shopify account, and once we do that, we'll close all these elements that's going to be open over here and click on where it says products. Once we click on it, we will see that the different products that we selected are going to be made available over here. Now if you want to view this particular product, all we need to do is click on view. Let's check this watch out and preview it on our online store. So once we click on it, it's going to show us this particular product that's going to be made available on our store. The pictures is here, the description is here, the price is here, the specifications are here, all the information we need is made available. And guys, it is as simple, straightforward, and easy as that. If you have any questions whatsoever, do let me know in the comment section below, and I will be more than happy to answer them for you. If you have not subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family so more people can find out how simple, straightforward, and easy it is to set up a Shopify account. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.